जेन्ना आमी म्हणटात and all India army issues content. Goenje content for us Mhadei and coal is very important. Now our session will start in the parliament. I will raise in this. I will try to meet the minister concerned. I will bring to their notice how Goa is going to suffer in future. So don't think we have closed our eyes. But what my colleague is saying, he has come for all India, the issues which are there, including Goa. In addition, what issues there are, we are elected representatives of Goa, we will take them up.
उदकच मिळालं नाही तर हे इश्यू घेऊन किती फायदा
बंद झाले
बंद झाले ना आता डीपीआर दिलो त्यांना डीपीआर दिलो
देखून आम्ही इश्यू रेज करले we'll take up with the concerned ministries and we'll fight for them. Don't think they are going to keep quiet. But hold on, except for Mhadei, the coal issue I had already raised in the house. I have written letters. Now this Mhadei was in the court. Now as DPR has come, it is our duty to take it up again.
Your central leader will not comment on Mhadei.
See, look here.
Not important.
See, there are various issues concerning India. We have got also local problems. We will bring to their notice. And they may take less days, but then they cannot antagonize all others. So we are here elected representatives. We will give them this state to take up the issues of both.
So what I am trying to say is that जसं तू उलयता न्हू तुमचे सेंट्रल लिडर्स whether it is in Karnataka or BJP जावं काँग्रेस जावं हे सगळे कितें उलयता तुम्ही हिंगा थिंगा उलयता सो वी ऑल्सो फियरिंग अबाउट दिस इश्यू न्हू बाबा तुम्ही ते निवासान आमकां सांगता हे जावचें ना ते जावचें ना आमी फुडें देतले सो आमचें कितें म्हणटा मनीस
See,
कोणूय जावं ते BJP
we know how the ecology will be affected and destroyed if this is done. So we'll bring to the notice. This government has failed.
But
it was in the court. They knew this was happening. Why they didn't open their eyes on time to see that this doesn't happen? So it's a court issue. Yes.
Sardinha, but surely you realize that Congress in Karnataka is going to be divided, and how is it going to meet the Congress in Goa? They are two same issue, and you're not together on it.
See, all of us are selfish. All of us look for their future. So we are here to safeguard the interests of Goa. We'll bring to their notice, or if today they are shouting, tomorrow we'll make sure that they only speak, they don't shout.
Which
Because
Goan is going to hold hands with the Congress on this subject of the Mhadei?
Who is going to hold
Which Goan is going to hold hands with the Congress on the subject of Mhadei?
Which Goan?
Yes.
All Goans are united as far as Mhadei is concerned, because it is not of one or two people. It is the issue of Goa. So that's why wherever we go, keeping politics aside, we say let us all fight for saving our state.
But you're not taking the fight to Karnataka, okay? You're only fighting in Goa, whereas the fight is in Karnataka.
Fight is not in Karnataka.
Of course it is.
Fight is in Goa. In the sense we have our interest. The water is coming from there. Water is coming from there, and I have said last time, we don't mind giving water for drinking. No agriculture has increased anywhere. Why do you want to divert for irrigation?
आता सर तुम्ही म्हणता की हात से हात जोडो होपफुली इंडियन करतले सो म्हादैच्या विशयाचेर गोवा काँग्रेस कर्नाटका काँग्रेसी बरोबर हात से हात जोडो करून सेम हे करून अंडरस्टँड करून म्हादे आमकां जाय म्हणून सांगतले काय म्हणटा
आम सांगतले
आता सांगतले केन्ना सांगतले
As far as Mhadei is concerned, it is a center stage issue for Goa Congress. There will be no compromise, and any movement that Goa Congress will do, Mhadei will be the center point of that issue. So you be rest assured, we are not going to compromise as far as Mhadei is concerned, even for 1%. It is our primary.
Sir, do you agree with this?
तुम्ही आता जो प्रश्न विचारून सोदता की कर्नाटका काँग्रेस गोवा काँग्रेस कर्नाटकाचे लोक डेफिनेटली आपलो इंटरेस्ट पळयतले आमचे गोयच्या लोकांनी आमचो इंटरेस्ट पळोवपाचो गोवा काँग्रेस आमी वचून तांचो इंटरेस्ट पळोवचे ना आमी जी गोवा काँग्रेस आसा आमी आमचो गोयचो इंटरेस्ट पळयतले आनी आमी म्हादई खातीर जो आमी ऑलरेडी मुवमेंट चालू केला हो सुद्धा जो आमचो प्रोग्राम आमी आता जो लॉन्च केला ताचे बरोबर टॅग करून म्हादई विल बी अवर मेन इशू की इशू बिफोर गोइंग टू द पीपल.
आयज आमचे एनवायरमेंटलिस्ट आसा पळय राजेंद्र जावं म्हाका सांगून देखून जावं are saying that awareness is most important.
Yes, and that is what we are going to
That's
do.
what I am saying.
With this program, we are going everywhere with the Mhadei issue. Because awareness is important. गोंयकारांक awareness जावप important. तेच सांगले पण पळय कन्फ्युजन करपाची गरज ना. काँग्रेस पार्टीन गोंयान म्हादईचेर स्टँड क्रिस्टल क्लियर केला. देर इज नो आम्ही तळ्यात की मळ्यात आम्ही खेळना. दे आर क्रिस्टल क्लियर.
You think people are not aware, according to you? Everybody is agitated, everybody in Goa is agitated. They are talking about Mhadei. And we being their leaders, we'll go ahead with them. We'll project whatever their thoughts and ideas are there. Your environmentalist scientists, we also are aware. So we have taken their guidance, but one issue is clear, that Congress in Goa will fight for Mhadei to any extent.
Sir, do you agree with that?
Why shouldn't Congress in Karnataka fight for Mhadei?
Sir, do you support this Goa Congress? Sir, do you support this Goa Congress on this issue?
Goa Congress
Yeah.
is working on its issues. I am here to talk about the national campaign.
But will you support them on
I am
Mhadei?
talking about the national campaign, the Haath Se Haath Jodo Yatra, and we are going to make sure that the people's concerns are addressed. And if people's concerns in different regions are somewhat different, the Congress will lend a ear and will lend a hand.